Hey, fellow YouTubers, JJ the Trucker, still healthy, thank goodness, coming to you from Wilmington, Illinois, where I am at a Petro, and this is yet another part. I think this is part 5 maybe of the truck stop series. Brian Greenway had asked what the different truck stops were like, what's like fueling and everything, so at the end, I'll have a card here for the playlist, so you can go through the whole thing, see all the different truck stops. Today we are doing Petro, and Petro and TA are owned by the same company, so they are the same. They also do corporate and franchise stores. This one, I believe, is a corporate store. I've been inside briefly, and it looks pretty standard to most of them. Some of the larger TAs have chrome shops and all kinds of other stuff in there. I will say most of the Petros and TAs are pretty well decked out with a little bit more amenities, but their fuel is more expensive, their prices are a little more expensive. Showers, I mean, the other thing is they vary a lot, so you never know what you're going to get from one TA and Petro to another. Some are nice, some just I won't go back to, they weren't all that great. So it depends on the area. As you get out here, you'll see which ones you'll want to stop at and which ones you won't. This one's pretty nice. The parking lot here in Wilmington, huge parking lot, lots of spaces. And this is one of the nice ones. I have no problem being here. This one actually has a shell for the four-wheelers as well. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and head on in. Let me show you what this one has. All right, so they're keeping this door open here, keeping it aired out. Hey, thank you very much. All right, so just like any other truck stop, you've got all your shopping stuff that you can think of, everything from souvenirs and tools and clothes to candy and junk food and everything that you can possibly think of. Lots of local flavor stuff being here in Illinois. Take you on a quick tour of this stuff. I will say that the TAs and Petros usually have more of this type of stuff. The in-truck type stuff. Look at this, you got a little shop vac, wet dry shop vac, which I haven't seen at the other places. A lot more of this stuff, the electronic stuff, than the other places. Sirius XM, more headsets, all kinds of real cool stuff. Lots of inverters, GPSs, dash cams, CBs, lots of CBs. Look at that, a pink CB. I haven't seen that anywhere. That's the first one I've ever seen. All kinds of stuff. So they do have usually a larger selection of that. As I said, some of the places have actual chrome shops, so that's pretty cool. All right, there we go. We the people. I like that. Yes, we are. This one actually has a pretty good selection of alcohol. As always, the good selection of all of your beverage needs. This particular one has fresh food section as well. We've seen that at the Pilots and Loves. This one has some wraps. Those actually look pretty good. Might have to come back and grab me one of those. Got your drink section, pre-done hot food. Of course, the rollers are closed for obvious reasons right now with the coronavirus going on. There were salads over there in the fresh food area earlier, but as soon as they stocked them, people came and took them. They flew out fast. So it's good to see that some drivers are eating really healthy. I like that. This one has a Charlie's Philly Steaks inside. Almost ran into somebody. Gotta watch where I'm going. Charlie's Philly Steaks. I've never seen one of these. It looks really good. It's going to be tough avoiding that because I'm really trying to watch my weight. Let's see. Over here they do have, most of them have an iron skillet, or I think it's country griddle is the other one, very similar. Of course they are closed right now due to the coronavirus issue, but normally this place is usually pretty bustling. And it's not bad food. I've eaten there a couple times. It's pretty good, general restaurant type food. All right, let's go ahead and show you some of the other amenities here. Oh, look, more souvenirs and stuff you can buy for the kids, for the missus, for the mister, etc. Yep. Alright. So as we go back here, I'm not going to show you the restrooms for obvious reasons, but the restrooms are alright. A little crowded. They weren't really set up for social distancing, but, I mean, can't blame them for that. Who would have set it up like that in the beginning? Alright, this is the driver's lounge. Closed right now, again, due to coronavirus, but they got a TV up there, lots of places to sit and hang out. TAs usually do have the largest of the truckers' lounges, usually. Alright, they got the showers. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you one of the showers on this particular video. Don't want to interrupt this gentleman here. Okay. Alright. We've got a laundry room. In this laundry room, oops. Hey everybody, say hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube. We got the laundry room. This laundry room is a little bit larger than most places. It has 4 washing machines, 8 dryers, so doubled in size compared to the rest of the places. And this right here, unfortunately, closed until further notice due to the coronavirus, but this is one of the things that stands out with TAs and pilots compared to the other TAs and Petros compared to the other places. The other places don't have fitness rooms. TAs and pilots, some of them do, not all of them. So it's unfortunate you can't really tell which ones do and which ones don't until you're there. You can go online and try and find it, but you know, it's good every once in a while if you need to work out or don't want to go outside and work out. Obviously right now, not really an option. See if I can get a quick peek in here real quick for you. Just your basic shower. I'll get a little decoration in there, but a little counter, mirror, place for your towels, shower. Very similar to all the other places. And little decorations along the walls. Not too bad. Anyways, that is it for the Petro. Again, corporate TAs look pretty much the same. And that's it. Any comments, questions? Scroll down, put them below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And if you are thinking about becoming a driver for Prime, please head on over to driveforprime.com, fill out the quick application. A recruiter will give you a call back, and while you're filling out that application, I'd appreciate a referral. My code is PAUJAJ. My name is JJ Paulson, and all that information is in the video description. You can find it real easily by just clicking on the video name. All right, thank you very much, everybody. Take care.